Hi, Jenna. It's Ann Smith. I am so excited for the new chapter in your life. It's going to be wonderful. Congratulations. I did want to thank you for all you did with the book club. When I came to Texas, the first thing I did was look for a book club. And you have made it inclusive and warm and friendly, and I love coming. You've given insight into books and provoked us to think about books in different ways than we may have come in thinking about them. It's been great. Thank you so much, and enjoy your next chapter.
Hey Jana, it's Mona Ford, and I wanted to say congratulations on your retirement. I've tried it out, it's wonderful. So I want to tell you how much I appreciate you and everything that you do, for all of your ideas, for being such a wonderful librarian, and really being such a wonderful instrument for Keller. So thank you very much from Mona Ford and the whole library board. God bless you. Bye.
Jana, I wish you the happiest of retirement years, filled with travel, with friends, with family, and remaining in Keller and making meaningful change for us, is continuing to make meaningful change.
I think she's going to have probably one of the most amazing retirements in history, and I'm very jealous because I know what some of her plans are, and I want to go in her suitcase. I know she's going to be traveling like crazy, and yes, I'm going to miss her like crazy when she's gone, but it's not goodbye. That's the main thing. It's not goodbye. We will stay friends.
Congratulations, and thank you so much for all you have done for Keller, our citizens, and the library. We could not have done so many of these things without you. Thanks.
It's been wonderful working under you. I can't stress that enough. You're one of the best bosses I've ever had. Even in this short time, you're already better than my previous boss, so I can't state that enough. And I really hope you have a wonderful retirement and get to do anything you might have been putting off because you've been too busy with work. And I hope to still see you around after you move on into the relaxation and retire. And thank you.
Hi Jana, happy retirement. It is well deserved. I just want to let you know I have so enjoyed my time getting to work with you. I really appreciate all of the wisdom that you have imparted to me. It's going to help me a long way with my professional library career. So thank you so much, and enjoy your well-deserved time.
I will definitely be missing Jana here at the library. Jana, congratulations. You're going to have so much fun. I know you already have so much planned for after your retirement. I know that you still plan to be a huge part of our library, which I'm very excited for. We have so many events coming up that I know you're going to be a part of, including our murder mysteries, where I know you are always the star in those. So I cannot wait to see you there.
Jana, I know this next chapter of your life is going to be amazing for multiple reasons, and I'm really serious about having lunch so I can see all those amazing pictures from your Holland vacation. And anytime you drop by the library, I will still give you crafts for your nephews. Take care.
Jana, I'm really going to miss having you here in the Keller Library. You've been a great resource for me. I've really enjoyed how easily it is to just pop my head into your office and ask a question. You've been a really good mentor for me in my career here at the Keller Library. And I can't thank you enough for what you've done for me and for the people of Keller over your years here. I'm really excited for you and your next adventure. I know you have a lot of plans in retirement, and I can't wait to hear you come back and visit us and tell us all of the fun things you're doing with your free time.
Hi, Jana. I want to thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to be a part of the Keller Public Library. When you hired me, it was at a wonderful opportunity in my life that my daughter was still in school and trying to get that social network and everything, and it was just such a good time for me to be a part of such a great team and everything that y'all have achieved here, and you have been such an instrumental part of everything that has happened over the last few years, and thank you so much for allowing me to be part of what's going on and what the future will hold for here. Definitely gonna miss you. You've been such a pleasure to work with, and a smiling face and greeting whenever you pass by the desk when I'm on the desk, and just kind of seeing how my day is going and everything else. It's been nice getting to know you somewhat better, and even our little birthday lunches and little cupcakes and everything that you always make a way to make us feel special. And thank you for that. Didn't expect to cry, so sorry about that. Also, you'll definitely be missed here with everything that goes on. You are definitely going to be a hard person to replace, but I hope you're still around, and I hope you still come in and check in on us. I definitely want to congratulate you on your retirement, and I hope that you are able to finally relax and enjoy yourself, take some vacations, and just really enjoy whatever God and whatever your future holds for you. And I hope you are able to enjoy it